Comet Lulin was discovered in 2007, but during the last week of February 2009 it will be quite easy to find. Here's your guide on how to find it. First, find the Big Dipper. If you're in the continental US, you'll look in the northeast after sunset, nearly overhead at midnight, and in the northwest if it's near sunrise. This is one very convenient thing about this comet. During this week it will be above the horizon all night. One thing to keep in mind with this comet is that it's not very bright. It's barely visible to the naked eye, so you need to be away from city lights if you're going to try finding it, and it would definitely help to have a pair of binoculars. Any telescope should bring it into view easily, but I think binoculars are definitely going to be your best optical tool for hunting. Use the two stars that form the side of the bowl of the dipper near the handle. Follow where they point opposite in the sky from the direction the bowl opens. You will come to the brightest star in the constellation Leo. Leo can be identified by a backwards question mark and a separate triangle of stars to the left of that. There are two objects in Leo that are markedly brighter than anything else in this region. One is the star Regulus, the bright star that is the point at the bottom of the backwards question mark. The other is the planet Saturn, which is in this portion of the sky this year. Over the next few days, Comet Lulin will follow a path that takes it right by Saturn and Regulus. On the night of the 23rd into the 24th from the US, Comet Lulin will be 2 degrees south of Saturn. With a pair of binoculars, you should be able to have Saturn and the fuzzy patch that is the comet in the same field of view. On the night of the 26th into the 27th, the comet will be just south of Regulus. It will appear to be half a degree from the star. Half a degree is the size of the full moon in the sky. After this week, the comet will move into Cancer, and then into Gemini. It is closest to the Earth on the 24th, so this is the best week to see it. I was able to get pictures of it without a telescope. Here are 9 unguided 15-second exposures stacked to give an idea of what the comet looks like. See if you can get a look at it this week, and see if it still has this green-blue tint to it. You should also look for other structure. Does it have a tail? Does it have an anti-tail? How big is the coma? Is there a portion of the coma that's very small and much brighter than the rest of it? These are all things you should make a note of to yourself when you're observing Comet Lulin. Happy observing!